Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today it's time for another experiment. Like so many on this channel for acrylic pouring, the hope is always to find something you or I can do something cute with, or to find a new special effect, or just to know why things sometimes happen the way they just happen. What I want to test today, what I always wondered, is how does Floetrol actually behave as if you would use it as paint, so basically as white. I know of course that it dries transparent, so that's only looking like white, which it's not. And so I thought, yeah, if I use it just like white on a white canvas, we won't really see anything. And that's why I made the little canvas really pink. And I'm gonna use blues and a little bit of purple, so we really should see in the contrast or anything like that if we just simply see the pink through, or if we see some kind of effect where it interacts with the Floetrol. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope we're gonna get something cool out of it. So I think I'm just gonna go with a normal flip cap, as I still want to use this paint and colors later on. I'm not gonna put the silicone in it, but I have some dimethicone, and this is another thing. It's in hair serum. I know there is different variants of it, but you can use anything which says dimethicone as the first or second ingredient, so you don't really need the expensive L'Oreal stuff. This is a €3 drugstore product, so that's all fine. I'm gonna start like I would eventually start a flip cup with the Floetrol, because normally you put a little white on the bottom. I'm gonna do the same with the Floetrol. And now we're just gonna go layer per layer, first starting with a little bit of purple. And now I'm going to put a little bit of the dimethicone in between, which is not optimal solution, but I think for an experiment it's good enough. So far there is nothing weird visible, it just looks like Floetrol with paint in it. Okay, so it's all in. It does look a bit ziggy-zaggy or something. Not sure if it has anything to do with the Floetrol, you never know that. No idea. So it looks normally as if you would have white and all the blues in there. I mean, Floetrol, if you know what it is a conditioner, which means it has a binder, but also something that makes it smoother and also makes the opening time longer. If you want to know specifically what is in your paint, what the difference between binder and Floetrol, there is videos on the basic playlist, because I found that rather important to know. So here we have a conditioner, and that's also when you try something like this with a high volume of Floetrol, I think it's just going to dry very slow because it extends the opening time. Okay, let's put some gloves on, and I'm going to flip it. Flip it or ring pour, I don't know. Well, normally for ring pour I would never use silicone, so I just gonna go for a flip cup. Okay, drums please. Was that drums? So the look is extremely smooth, the same way like Floetrol. It also very runs down immediately, just more like hair conditioner, something like that. In the cup itself, I think it looks a little bit weird. But okay, we're gonna torch it and treat it the same way we would treat any flip cup. What you see, I made some ribbon on top of it and they spread like crazy. I'm gonna give you a close-up in a sec. Normally when you torch it after you just let it out of the cup, the cells come up because by the heat you release it from under the paint. This was not the case here. What I have was there from the beginning. It's a little bit lighter in reality than on camera. It's always difficult to catch with colors that are so close by. Okay, I tried to get the glare away, but I just have no way to do that. When I tilted it, I think the colors mixed more like they normally would. The existing cells broke up. I had enough paint, but you see now it's more like a soft running into each other effect, not with real cells. So I think the Floetrol does really do this, you know, conditioner thing, like if you wash your hair and everything goes smooth and slimy and all that. I think it does the same thing. The cells are gone, so that's not necessarily something I would like to see. Of course, we will need to let this dry to see if it does anything else. I don't expect it. I mean, like now, you would see white if you would have used white, which you don't here, which you don't do here. Okay, so that's it. I either gonna put a picture at the end of this video or on my Facebook or Instagram on how it dried. I'm 99% sure that it is nothing anywhere close to giving it a light white or a whitish or a effect, something like that. I think it's just gonna smear the colors or the paint into each other a little bit more, and it's probably gonna take ages to dry. So for a flip cup, I don't think it's really something that can look cool. I can imagine some other techniques would do that, perhaps with a touch pour or something where you can really do something with smooth and transparent, perhaps like if you do a beach pour or something like that. I don't know, perhaps I'm gonna try out another time, so keep an eye on the coming videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you back soon.